What's up, you guys? Today we're going to be checking out this 1983 Chevy El Camino. As you can see, it's sitting on some big Rucci wheels. These are 24-inch Ruccis. It's a nice two-tone green. It has like a lighter green on the top and then a darker green on the lower part of the car. Originally it was a two-tone gray and it was repainted to this green. And these wheels are staggered, so the rears have a bigger lip than the ones in the front. And this one also has an electric sunroof. You can see it right there. Get a close-up in a bit. Has a nice little cow hood. See, the sunroof sticks out very little, but it looks nice and slick right there. Give you a shot of the interior. So this whole interior has been redone. Got this little pattern right here on the door panel. Got the speakers back here, 2 sets of speakers. I think these are 6.5. It also has some here in the kick panel. Nice little custom kick panel. And it has some more speakers here in the middle center console. Custom as well, and that mesh matches the gold on the wheels and this Rucci steering wheel. Even the cup holders are the same gold. The seats are super clean. Everything ties in real good. Even the headliner, green, and it's suede. And back here it has some more of the sound system, even more speakers back here. You can see the tweeter, nicely tucked right here in the corner. And it got some kickers. There's another one on that side. Also, the carpet was replaced, of course. And this car does have a 5.3 in it. So that's it for this video. Showed you guys this really clean El Camino. I'm gonna leave his Instagram right here in the corner so you guys can check him out. And make sure to check us out at Yonke_OXC Films. I'll leave that in the description down below. And we'll catch you on the next one.